Talofa Polivinaka. My name's Levi Aumua. I'm from Samoa, Fiji. I play for the Moana Pasifika. This is me, YGB, young, gifted and brown. I was born in Auckland, out west in Te Aratu, raised there until I was about 10, then moved to Australia and did most of my schooling over there. I came back to New Zealand to further my career with the Tasman Mako, and from there on I got selected into the Chiefs squad for the 2018 and further on into the Blues for 2019. Not long after that, I took my career overseas to Japan and I played for Toyota, Shoki and Hino, which really helped excel my career. And with the Moana team being created, I just thought this is my opportunity to do what I love and also represent where I come from. I'm definitely proud to put on the jersey and represent the Pacific. I always enjoyed my food a bit too much, and it got the better of me. And I started packing on the weight and not enjoying my rugby, I guess, as much. So I've relied a lot on natural talent to get me through. And then it sort of hit me. I kept getting setbacks and, kept thinking I didn't want to blame it on the food or that I was too heavy. It wasn't until I came back from Japan last year, really had a good think whether, did I really want to play rugby and was I willing to sacrifice what, I really loved, which was food. I knew I had one shot left, sort of make it or break it opportunity. So, I knew I wanted to do this, and I guess I was willing to lose the weight to do it. So I ended up losing about 30 odd kilos. Performing a lot better and just a lot happier, I guess, mentally and physically. I always got told, you lose your weight, you get into good shape, and the sky was the limit. Definitely with the Moana team, it's like being in a family with part of the aiga. A lot of Tongans, Samoans, a few Fijians, and boys from Niue, Cook Island. So, we do local every day. We pray, get together, we learn about each other's cultures and languages. Bit of a joking team as well. These guys are like brothers already. So, everything we do, we think of our ancestors that come before us. That was me, YGB. Catch you later. Mother.